So, having some mom guilt because Reagan is sick. I was planning on finishing up my Christmas decorating today, but she's sick today, running a 102 fever, and I've quarantined her in her room by herself because I have little man here in the carrier, and I don't want him to get sick if he hasn't already. I mean, we've all been exposed already, but yeah, I'll just have her in her room with some snacks and her tablet and a movie on, and I gave her Brawley's walkie-talkies to call us if she needs us. So those came in handy, but I'm feeling really bad that I can't just like go snuggle her, but I don't want to get baby boy sick. So this is the new struggle with baby number 3.
Here's this.
Yeah, that's our communication, but I've been going to check on her, but I gave her some Tylenol to help with the fever, and Wes just went to the store to get us more elderberry gummies. Hopefully it's not the flu or anything serious like RSV or whatever, because I don't want baby boy getting that. I don't want any of us getting it, but especially little man here. So just by the time you see this, it'll already be past more than likely, but if you're seeing this, just keep us in your prayers this sick season. I probably won't get my decorating videos up, so instead of doing decorating and clean with me videos, I'm probably just gonna do a like Christmas home tour instead of trying to do all of that, because I'm just not gonna have time to do all that and edit it and take care of sick kids. So sorry, but it's just not gonna happen this year. But anyway, I'll try to do a Christmas home tour once it's all finished. So I did take Reagan to the doctor yesterday. She did test negative for the flu, so that was good. But she is still very sick, and now both girls are coughing. I've got them quarantined in Briley's room. Reagan's cough is really, really bad. It sounds a little bit like croup. And Briley's is getting there. So we've been eating like vitamin C, elderberry gummies, probiotics, all that. I've been taking vitamin D, and I've been giving the baby vitamin Z. Reagan is taking some like cough medicine and stuff. But I'm gonna try like some all natural things today to help them get through the day. I'm about to put some RC oil in my diffuser and put that in her room, just to help them breathe a little better. But yeah, I was gonna film like my Christmas clean and decorate with me videos, and I filmed a little bit of it, but they were sick, and I've just been trying to take care of everybody and keep everybody separated from the baby. So I think I'm just gonna do a Christmas home tour. I hope that's okay with you guys. If everybody's better in time, but it's already, you know, I know you guys understand, but I want to get that video up for you. The house is looking cute. I still got some cleaning to do. I'm gonna scrub the house today and try to get this sickness contained for the most part, and just have it in their bedrooms, but get the rest of the house like Lysol down really well. But yeah, I'm really tired. I didn't sleep last night. Reagan's not breathing well, and it just worries me. And I don't want the baby to get it, of course, or anyone else to get it. But anyway, that's how our day is going. But yeah, let's